Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Antec's new Flux series cases in white version. So friend, Antec presents a white version of the DF700 FLUX and DF800 FLUX series, and friend, the DF700 FLUX white features a three-dimensional wave-shape mesh presenting a smoothly minimalistic looking, while DF800 FLUX white features a new visual effects with a geometrical front panel design which mirrors glide effects through its special surface design. And friend, both cases are compatible with ATX, micro ATX and mini ATX motherboards, and in terms of fan support, the case accommodates three 120mm or three 140mm in the front, three 120mm fans or two 140mm on the top, as well as one 120mm fan in the rear and two fans on the PSU shroud. And friend, this series feature a number of pre-installed fans, three 120mm ERGB fans in the front, one 120mm reverse fan on the PSU shroud and one 120mm fan in the rear of the case. And friend, for extra water cooling, this series cases can accommodate a 360mm radiator in the front on the top and 120mm radiator in the rear. And friend, it have plenty of space, graphics card with a length of up to 405mm and effective ventilation, making it particularly suitable for gamers as well. And friend, the case boasts three convertible 2-less 3.5-inch HDD drive cages, three 2.5-inch SSD mounting spaces, as well as 7 expansion slots. And friend, the I/O panel features power and reset buttons, two 3.0 and mic audio jacks, and included dust plugs cater for damage prevention. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.